Beauty, body, and brains. What makes a man to be the next Ginoong Pilipinas? Maayong adlaw, Iloilo. Today we are very happy and excited to introduce to you our very own, the Pride of Ilonggos, who won a runner-up in the recent Ginoong Pilipinas male pageant. Gani, hindi ko na pagpadugayon pa. With me is the one and only John Michael Suelo.
Hello, good morning, Slade. Good morning, Panay News. Good morning, mga fellow Ilonggos.
Yes, congratulations and thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's an honor to be here, back in Iloilo, and of course with Panay News.
Yes, okay, so ladies, handa na pala ka mo. Okay, so first, kilalaho naton. Sino bala si John Michael Suelo?
Alright, so si John Michael Suelo is actually a fourth-year law student at Central Philippine University and currently the National President of the Association of Law Students of the Philippines. I actually graduated Political Science in the same university and was a former CPU Republic President. So, I represented Iloilo for Ginoong Pilipinas in the recent Ginoong Pilipinas Coronation Night, which happened October 27 at RCBC Plaza Makati. So, it's really an honor to represent Iloilo for Ginoong Pilipinas.
Siyempre, no, and we are also very honored, no, nga ikaw, Gidja, you are the only Ilonggo nga nag-join sa siningang competition.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Ginoong Pilipinas sounds very new to everybody. So, please tell us more about this event.
Ginoong Pilipinas is actually on its inaugural edition and there were 4 titles that was actually given to the winners. The first one is actually Mr. Universe Tourism. The second one is the Man of the Year, Gentleman of the World, and Misters of World. And of course, the 2 runner-ups, which might have the chance to also represent the country in the international pageant if ever the organizers would be able to get new franchise in the international pageantry, and if ever if, of course, one of the winners will not be able to do their duties and responsibilities, the runners-up will be able to take over. So, I think this is something new because we have heard about female pageants, Binibining Pilipinas. So, actually, this is the male version of course, of Binibining Pilipinas. So, Ginoong Pilipinas.
Ginoong Pilipinas, wow. So, since Ginoong Pilipinas, this is a nationwide male pageant.
Yes.
Mga pila ka mga nag-join sa siningang?
Actually, there were 22 contestants coming from all over the Philippines. If I remember it right, we have from Mandaluyong, from Mindoro, Ifugao, Benguet, Baguio City, Cagayan Valley, Ozamis, Cebu, yeah, there's 22 of us. There's a lot of us there, and I think it's the best of the best. All of them are actually equally talented, good-looking, and smart as well. So, dubudlay man siya, no? Para sa akong part, ano lagi ko ga-expect that I'll be able to make it, but it's really a blessing to be part of Ginoong Pilipinas.
Yes, okay. So, paano gali ikaw nag-audition sa siningang competition?
Actually, nag-apply man ko. Nag-email ako sa Ginoong Pilipinas na page, which if they would like to be part of Ginoong Pilipinas 2020, they can just message, check the Ginoong Pilipinas page on Facebook. So I did the same thing, and of course, then I was able to get, of course, Iloilo and to represent Iloilo for Ginoong Pilipinas.
Is this your first time to join male pageant? Or?
Actually, I did during, actually school-based siya sa CPU, but this is actually my first national pageant, kid. So, wow.
Very wow.
Very overwhelming siya. And nagkadto ko dito sa Manila, wala ko handler, isa-hanon lang ko. And I can just imagine myself carrying ang akong nga festival costume, ang akong nga talent costume. Excess baggage pa ko sa airport. So, it was very difficult. And somehow, dubudlay man siya because wala sang someone, bala dito, mismo nga gahambal siya, uy, amunin mo, ano. So, but then, nasarangan man siya, worth it talaga efforts and the love and support gid of the Ilonggos. Kay pag-start pa lang gid, like, I released my tourism video, advocacy video, and the get to know John Michael Suelo. So, very supportive ang Ilonggos.
So we are curious, anong imo nga talent during the competition?
I did actually do medyo theatrical siya. So I did Jafar, Aladdin, and Prince Ali. So a little bit of parang monologue siya, and then may dance na part, and then may singing na part. So duging combine siya to make may story siya kumbaga.
We want to hear the singing portion. Gusto niya?
No. Actually, theatrical lang siya. So, hindi gid ko singer.
Okay.
Basi wala na sang malantaw sa ato.
So bilang isa ka Ilonggo, what makes you stand out among other candidates?
Siguro, well, actually, given nga everyone has the height. They're all tall. They have the looks. Pero for me naman po, I think it's really coming from the heart of the Philippines. It's really, I think, I've been doing advocacy projects even before I joined Ginoong Pilipinas. I was a mental health advocate, HIV-AIDS advocate. I was exposing myself to the community even before. So I really have stories to tell to everyone. And I think the interview part, the question and answer came easily because of being a law student. I mean, through the years, I think I was trained to really how to speak out and to just express myself. Pero even before I joined Ginoong Pilipinas, I still trained for the interview portion because it's a different thing if the more technical part of being a law student, because in pageantry, it should really come from the heart. Though parang ano siya more personal questions, and it should really reflect your personality. It's not about highfalutin words.
Yeah.
So though medyo attune gid siya with the emotions. So that's what I tried to learn, man. Pero yeah, I think.
So ibagi dyan kung ikaw mismo may experience na mas hapos mag-express.
Yes. Stories to tell,
Yes.
background, life experiences, gid. Though it's really nice to share these experiences to other people. So yes po.
Okay. So now that you are one of the winners, of course, you're the first runner-up. Ano nga advocacy ang gusto mo isulong bilang first runner-up sa Ginoong Pilipinas?
I think I will just have to continue with my advocacies that I already started. First, of course, ang mental health because diri mismo sa Iloilo, no, we've been experiencing mental health crisis, suicide cases, especially among men. And at the same time, HIV-AIDS advocacy. So right now, being Iloilo team leader of Mental Health PH, and at the same time, founding Man Out Philippines project, which actually empowers our men for them to express themselves. Na it's okay for men to cry, it's okay for men to feel weak, and it doesn't make you less of a man. So I think it's time that this is actually a very influential platform to really inspire people to really, just you should not give up because this is not the end. I think there's life at the end of the day. So yeah.
Wow, that's very inspiring. That's very nice of you to continue that advocacy. Thank you.
Yes po, because I think it's really time. If no one will do it, who will? So yes po.
So now is the right time.
Now is the right time.
Yeah. Okay, so on the lighter side, okay, parang medyo seryoso na kita. So here naman on the lighter side, let's do the fast talk.
Fast talk.
Fast talk. Okay, so let's start. Favorite color?
Favorite color, blue.
Favorite
Blue.
sport?
Favorite sport, more academics ako, pero I go to the gym. So yeah.
Okay.
Weightlifting.
Weightlifting. Okay, so favorite smell?
Smell, my perfume. Where's my perfume? Yeah. Or the smell of sampagita.
Wow,
Flower.
very nationalistic.
Yeah.
So,
Filipinas.
your favorite movie?
Movie. Any movie basta Filipino movies.
Filipino movies.
Very attuned to being us.
Okay. OPM or K-pop?
OPM.
Of course. Sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise or sunset? Sunrise, because it gives us new day to be hopeful of what's going ahead of us.
Okay. Beach or mountains?
Beach, I love, going to the beach.
Dog or cat?
Not dog na lang. Being year of the dog, so dog na lang.
Dog na lang. Lights on or lights off?
Lights on. I prefer seeing it when studying.
Okay. Stay in or night out?
Night out. Night out.
Night
I
out.
mean, going out with friends, yeah.
Your dream job?
Dream job, to be honest, I really want to be an actor. Yeah, to be an artista, but I
Why
think
not?
why not? But I think it's not gonna happen. I don't know, but probably, yeah, just become a lawyer.
Lawyer. Yeah, okay. So, what do you do first thing when you wake up?
When I wake up, cell phone.
Cell phone agad.
Check the time, so cell phone.
Okay, your favorite day of the year?
Favorite day of the year? Every day.
Every day?
Yes, every day, every day.
Every day is a new day.
Yeah, every day is a new day.
Okay, and then lastly, rate yourself from 1 to 10.
1 to 10, I think 7. I think there's still a lot of things that I need to improve, I need to learn, and I'm the kind of person who wants to achieve greater heights in life, and I know there's still room for improvement. So I just have to rate myself 7, and hopefully we'll get there as time passes by.
Yes. Okay, so any message to our fellow Ilonggos, especially to the millennials na naghahandom man nga mag-join sa sininga competition?
Alright, so to all the millennials, fellow Ilonggos, why don't you try joining Ginoong Pilipinas for next year? And of course, joining pageants. It's actually a very influential platform to make use, to push forward your advocacies and to inspire the youth of today to really be themselves and just reach for their dreams. So as for me, I started my journey, parang it's a risk eh. Wala akong kabalo kung anong pwede matabo, but then I just went there and tried, and ako daan, hindi ko gusto sa ulihin nga may regret ko sa life ko. So, whatever happens, with or without a crown, I still tried. So, same with you guys, just try. Walang mawawala, wala sang madula sa inyo. And, at times we face difficulties in life. Just hold on to your dreams. It's not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be a perfect ride. There will be people who will not believe in you. There will be bashers and haters and people pulling you down. But then just believe in yourself, because it's really you who will, live your life. So it's not for them, but it's for yourself. So believe in yourself, because you are not alone.
Wow, thank you very much, Jan. That is
Thank you
so
very much, ma'am.
inspiring. But would you like to add more? Would you like to thank your friends and sponsors?
Yes po. First and foremost, I would like to thank, of course, Panay News, the #1 regional newspaper, of course. Thank you very much, Panay News. Thank you, Ma'am Lay, for
You're
having
welcome.
me. And thank you also to Mr. Bo Parcon, my designer during Ginoong Pilipinas. Of course, we have also Sir PJ Arañador, Mr. Ayan Horda, Mr. Efren Heroso, Mr. Tata Blas Pinuela for my national costume. And of course, I would like to thank Ginoong Pilipinas organizers, of course, Sir Manix Hinabe, and of course, Dr. Jamel Bornilla, the CEO and the President of Borjan Entertainment Ventures. Of course, Mr. John Kimbo Ranieses, and Miss Paige Senieres, and of course, Miss Nix of Nix Institute of Beauty, our official makeup artist during the pageant. And of course, Coro Hotel, our official accommodation during the pageant. And Simone Swimwear, our official swimwear provider during Ginoong Pilipinas. And of course, to GPD Aesthetics, Dr. Ruru Gonzalez, and to my dentist, of course, Dr. Albert Chester Gijalvo, and to all the Ilonggos out there who helped me, Ms. Weng Diaz, Mr. Dennis Malyada, Ms. Madeline Mads Cadyao, Mr. There's a lot of them actually, Sir Mark. Thank you very much to all of you guys. I may not mention all your names, but truly I am grateful for all your support, and I hope that this will not be the end, and I hope there will be new beginnings. And just follow me on my Facebook,
Yes.
John Michael Suelo.
Wow, thank you very much. Ang daming supporters, kadabot sa supporters and sponsors. Thank you very much for supporting John Michael Suelo.
Thank you.
And of course, congratulations
Thank you so much,
again.
ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for your time and for sharing with us your fun experience and determination and success.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
ma'am.
And sa inyo man, madamang salamat sa inyong pagupod sa amon sa isa ka masadya nga pag-istoryahan ng subong nga adlaw. I'm Leia, and this is Panay News Exclusives. Bye!